Before you write a single word for your local newsletter, you need to know exactly how you're going to earn money. You're going to provide value for your community, huge value, and in exchange, you want to get paid. So it's really important to have a clear idea of exactly where that money's going to come from before you write a single word. Now, we write our local newsletters with AI. We do have a very cool generator we use. If you want to see that, put generator down in the comments. But for now, let's go over to exactly how you're going to earn. Now, not all of these methods are created equal, but if you want me to go into any more detail, I'm more than happy to. Just put the title of each idea into the comments and I'll be able to know which one you're interested in. And then if I get enough interest, I'll make a video deep diving into that particular topic. So the easiest one for you to put in from day one is an affiliate marketing link. So for those of you that don't know what affiliate marketing is, very simply, we're taking a link. This link has been created specially for us so it can be tracked. But what happens is we're promoting other people's product, and in exchange, every time our link gets clicked, we make a little bit of money. Now, it is a little bit of money. Sometimes commissions can be 10 to 30%. So if you're promoting something that's like $100, then you could be making $10 to $30. Sometimes it can be much smaller than that. It might be only $1 a click, but you're looking for hundreds of clicks, thousands of clicks in that particular example. So there's lots of different options for you. It's not a great one for local newsletters because not a lot of local businesses have affiliate links. It's not really something that they do. However, you might be able to find some companies that do offer it, or you might offer something very general. So you might find an offer that links to something like winning a gift card, for example, and then you can put that into your newsletter. That's a general offer that lots of people will be interested in. You might only make 50 cents, a dollar per click, but at least you are making some money from day one. As I said, if you're interested in learning more about that, just put affiliate marketing down in the comments. The second option, which is much, much better for us if we're creating a local newsletter, is sponsored content. This is very, very easy. All you do is partner with a local business to feature sponsored content. And what you're doing is you're connecting the reader with a valuable service. Okay, so this could be a home service, it could be a lawyer, it could be a place, an event, anything like that that just wants more eyeballs on their business or their offerings, and you provide that. Okay, now it's great to combine this with some kind of offer. It's great to offer this in bulk. You'll make more money. So, for example, you go to a business and say, you can have a slot, you can sponsor all of my newsletters this coming month, and it will cost you $200, $400, $500, whatever it is that you want to earn. Okay, now obviously it's got to be appropriate for your newsletter, and if you want help with costings and things like that for sponsorship, just put sponsored content down in the comments and we can go into this particular area in more detail. From day one, what I'll be doing, even with a small list, is I'll be reaching out to people and offering them free slots, because first of all, you need your readers used to seeing sponsored content in your newsletter. If it pops up from nowhere after they've been reading it for 4 or 5 months, then it's going to throw them. And secondly, you want data. You want to show that people click on your sponsored content, that you are driving customers over to that particular person. So you can go back to them and say, hey, look, now we're at 500 subscribers or 200 subscribers. We're going to start charging for this. Or you can go to other businesses and say, look, we drove X number of customers over to this shop. Do you want to do next month? Then, this is how much it's going to be. All right. So this is one of the best ways that you can put money into your pocket when running a local newsletter. The next one is placing ads. This is kind of similar to sponsored content, but this would be small ads for local businesses. Now, you don't want to go crazy with this. You need to have the right number of slots. You're going to have different types of advertisements. Like some of them are going to be quite big, which will cost more. You're going to have some of them that are smaller, which are going to cost less. So you can target different types of businesses, and you can have multiple ads in each of your editions. And obviously, if you're putting out a monthly newsletter, you're going to earn less than if you put out a daily newsletter. Daily newsletter might sound quite intimidating, but actually we have a generator that does all that for us. It's just an AI tool. You cut and paste a bit of content, and within 5 minutes you can have your newsletter written. So if you like more information on ads and how to earn from them and how to price them, just put ads into the comments. If you want to know more about our generator, put generator into the comments. Okay, but the nice thing about ads is they are focused on your neighborhood, on the area that you are targeting. So again, you're connecting local people with local businesses, which is exactly what businesses want. They want to run their business. They don't want to be dealing with advertising and marketing. So you're helping them out by getting them in front of local businesses. And the nice thing about sponsored content and advertising as well is once your social media starts to ramp up, you don't just have to offer them a newsletter slot. You can say, look, we'll also put you on our Instagram, we'll put you on our Facebook, and you're putting them in multiple places. Maybe you'll do a blog article on the website where your newsletter is hosted, and you can offer them nice big packages to get them lots and lots of exposure, and then you make more money. Next one is premium content. It's not a model that a lot of people do, but it has been proven to work for newsletters. And this is very simple, where you offer a little bit more than what's in your free newsletter to your audience, and they pay for that access. So it could be local insights if you've got sort of a newsletter that's more about, history of the area, arts, music scene, something like that. It might be deals or exclusive offers. So for example, you might strike up some way of getting discounts to a local music events, things like that are only accessible to people that are on the premium list, or maybe they get it first, so they get access to that a week, a month, for a couple of days, whatever you decide to do, before everybody else gets it. Okay, but whatever you do with this, you need to make sure that people are coming back for more, because if they subscribe to your premium content and then you have a big churn rate, what we mean by that is lots of people are unsubscribing, then it shows that you're not providing the value for the amount of money that you are charging for it. $5 a month is what you want to be starting out with as a price point if you're interested in this business model. Again, it's nice recurring income, but you're not going to make as much money as the other offerings. So you might decide actually sponsored content and ads is a better way for me to make money with my particular newsletter. The last option that we've got down here is offering courses and digital products. I should say, actually, if you want us to go through premium content model more, you know what to do now. Courses and digital products. If you're just doing a general newsletter for your local area, then this probably is not going to work for you, because what we want to do with a course or digital product is we want to share expertise on local topics or issues or problems that people are having in the local area. We want to make it hyper focused. This is good if you're doing a business or a B2B local newsletter. So for example, if you're trying to instead of connect customers to businesses, you're trying to connect businesses together. So if you're the kind of person that wants to build a network of local businesses, maybe you could start doing some digital marketing courses or some workshops online, or you could even end up doing events that all focus on marketing for your local area, specifically for the area that newsletter is in. And not only that, then you get your sponsors, which are also linked to that as well. It is a very powerful business model. You're not going to build as big a list because you're just focusing on business, but actually B2B newsletters are more valuable than B2C. So that's kind of like where you're connecting customers to the businesses, because they have sort of more value per subscriber built into the business model, because these businesses want to grow, which means they're more likely to build high ticket products. So your list won't be as big, but it will end up being more valuable if you can monetize it in the right way. And offering courses, digital downloads, workshops, and eventually events in the local area, networking events, for example, is a great way to do that. So if you're somebody who's more sort of business minded or would rather go down that route, then this is offering courses and digital products a great idea to consider. And again, you want to hear about that one, just put that down into the comments. So before you write one word, even if you are going to use our AI generator or you can do it all yourself, then what you need to do is decide which of these you're going to start with and then which ones you're planning to grow onto as your newsletter grows, in order to be able to make money by providing value to your readers. See you in the next one.